Hello friends, welcome back to lmsdaily.com. First of all, I would like to wish a very happy and prosperous new year to all the audience which is watching this screencast and who have supported us through the last year with a lot of views on our videos and with a lot of comments as well as the likes. I really believe that you will continue to support us in this year also. Thank you very much for your continuous support. So coming back to this video, in this lesson we will learn how you can update the location settings on your Moodle site as a site admin. By updating the location settings, you can change the default time zone as well as the country and the city for all the users on your Moodle site. In order to do that, you need to make sure that you are logged into your Moodle site as a admin, and then once you are logged into the site, then you need to go to this site admin page here. And then under the general tab only, you need to scroll down until you see this location tab and just click on this location settings. Here on the first top 4 fields, you can define the things which we have discussed as the objective. So first one is the default time zone, so you can choose the continent and the location where you would like to have the default time zone. So let me say that I would like to go to Asia and Dubai as my time zone, and then you can also choose this option to force the time zone for all the users. If you will keep it to users can choose their own time zone, then the users are free to choose their own time zone in their profile, but if you choose anything here, then it will be a forced one for all the users. And if you are having a lot of assignments and quizzes which are opening at the same time for everyone, then I would recommend you to choose a forced time zone for all the users here. For this demo, I will just leave it as default. Then in the next field, you can choose the default country for all the users. If you keep it like blank choose, then the users will be able to choose their own country in their own user profile. Similarly, you can also define a default city. So let me say that I would like to mention Dubai as the default city here. And once you are done with all these changes, then you need to just click on this save changes button here. Now, whenever any user will go to their profile, they will see all these settings. I will just show you by going to my own profile here. So you can see that this is the time zone. So this is how you can update the location settings on your Moodle site for all the users. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you like this video, please don't forget to click the subscribe button to our YouTube channel, as well as press the like button for this video, as well as share your thoughts in the comments section below. We would love to have your feedback and will record a screencast based on your requirements in the future. So don't forget to put your thoughts in the comment section below. Thank you very much for watching. Have a great day. Bye bye.